Hello. In this video we will set up your dev environment and create the package that will contain all of your studio pipeline and workflow code. Let's create a My Studio folder, with a dunder-init.py file inside. Now let's make it able to launch a standalone Kabaret application. We'll be using Visual Code here, but you can use your favorite Python IDE. Every Kabaret application, whether standalone or embedding, needs at least one Kabaret session. A session can be headless, for a command line application for example, or have a GUI. For a standalone GUI application, we'll be using kabaret.app.ui.gui.standalone.kabaret standalone GUI session. We instantiate this session and call the connect command of the cluster actor. By connecting on the same database and cluster name of the installation video, our session will give access to the Dev Studio projects we previously created. There are many ways to run Python code. A common one on Windows is to create a bat file running your command. For this demo, we will simply type the command in a terminal. As expected, we can see the demo and showcase projects in our application. Now let's make our very own session type so that we can later customize it. Also, by using a dedicated cluster name, we ensure our session only deals with our projects. It's time to create our first project type. Kabaret lets you define project structures and interaction using the flow subpackage. It is a versatile object relations system that can be used to model workflows and data flows. It is a good practice to package each of your flows inside subpackages of your studio. We create the mystudio.flow.project module and define an empty flow object as our first project. Now that this project type is defined, we can start creating projects with it. There's not much to see right now. Let's add a simple parameter in this flow. This single line of code defined a persistent parameter in every project using the myProject flow. This parameter has a default value and users can see and edit its value using a default editor. Let's launch a second instance of our application and alter this parameter value. As Kabaret is cut for collaboration, you will notice that all parameters update in real time when someone connected to the same cluster name edits them. That's some good value packed in a single line of code. I hope this opened your curiosity. In the next videos we will customize our session with a couple of extensions like the script view and a nicer homepage, see an overview of a Kabaret architecture, and dive into the flow capabilities. See you soon.